Hey folks, I'm Walter, your travel agent. What a great question. So what happens if you do break the rules? Now, for those of you who are not aware, most cruise lines that have a drink package, there's one major rule that comes with it. You cannot share the drink package. That is, you can't go to the bar or go to the coffee shop, get a drink, and then hand it to somebody else. That's not allowed. But what's very vague on all of the cruise lines is, well, what happens if you actually break the rules? So we looked around at various websites and we found one punishment that keeps coming up. The cruise line could revoke your drink package on the spot. So you take a drink, you hand it to somebody else, the bartender sees it, they can revoke your drink package on the spot. So what does that mean? Well, you paid for a drink package for the week. Whatever money you just spent on that drink package, gone, and now you're gonna have to pay for every single drink for the remainder of the cruise. Another reason why I really like the Virgin Voyages bar tab, they do allow you to just go ahead and buy drinks for anybody out there. Thanks for the question.